It's Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I'm at Mountain Therapy and we're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television that's here. So it's a smart Wi-Fi enabled LG TV. Remote controls right here for it. And it's coupled with a Cable 1 network television. So fairly straightforward, fairly easy to use. Home button allows you to get online access to the shows, Netflix, Prime, Hulu, and so forth. So if you've got an account, you can use that. Now, on this top right-hand button, you can change the source. Satellite is going to allow you to have access to Cable 1. So that's on HDMI 1, just in case you need to know. And then for the DVD player, which is going to be a Sony DVD player, that's right here, you're going to scroll down to the AV. And so you have AV right there. Hit enter. And you can watch Tom Cruise in The Last Samurai. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. You're at Mountain Therapy, and the phone number in the landline office number, it's 208-634-0030. Cheers and have a great time while you're staying at Mountain Therapy in McCall.